Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. I'm doing some work here around the property, so kind of sweaty, but um, there's a lot of mosquitoes on our property. And of course, I have my gloves on and I might even put on my mask. But curious question, can the mosquito transfer the coronavirus? So I've done a lot of looking online. I don't see any information about that. But of course, we all know about malaria, Zika, all the viruses that mosquitoes can carry. What about ticks? What about other insects? Could they carry that virus? So good question. I thought I'd post this and see. I figured there's got to be some researchers out there that could answer that question.